have a very exciting day. Today we are installing the solar panels. Say hi, John.
Hey.
So today we're installing the solar panels onto the roof, and there's the first beauty, all blue, and it goes up to the roof. Yeah, so we're gonna have power in our Starlight van. So there she is. So our friend is just going to install it for us. He's the expert, we're not. So yeah, we have about 640 watts of solar with a 2400 inverter.
Yeah.
And then we see how much power we're gonna have. It should be enough for what we want and what we need.
Okay.
So they're gonna go there up the roof eventually. So yeah, there's the first panel, and then the other one is inside there with Pepe. And then yeah, and they're pretty and blue, so you can see with the sun. Right now they're dark, but yeah, they're pretty and blue. So there you go. And this is it, guys. We will eventually show you the end result. Yeah, it's another view from our van. If we show here, guys, how Starlight looks like from this angle. Yeah, there she is. It's how beautiful Starlight. So the guys are just installing everything.
No, just the two.
And I'm just assisting. Yeah, it's another angle here from the van. Here she is, our beautiful Starlight. Today we had we just bought a proper pump to lift this type because it was a little bit flat. So she's back again. There she is, our beautiful baby. Yeah, Starlight. It's getting a makeover. It's like getting a new pair of earrings, isn't it, baby? It's like Starlight is getting a new pair of earrings. So yeah, cannot wait to see this baby up and running and start producing electricity. There you go, guys. That's the installation. Let's go up. There's another solar. At the moment you can't see much, but there he is. So our Starlight is getting a makeover. There he is, John. John's just...
One of the screws came down.
That's okay. There's plenty of them.
Yeah.
There's the solar system, guys. So one is already up the roof, and you're just installing, and then will be another one will be installed. So this is the back of our van. She's parked in our friend's driveway, so in our area where we live at the moment. And there you go, there's Pepe installing that one, and then there's the other one to be installed. They're quite big. A lot of power. Busy. And then we're gonna install the inverter and everything. So yeah. Woohoo! It will be nice and done. Yeah. Hi guys, here we are. I'm so sorry about the mess. Our solar system and with the inverter and the batteries are all installed. Here is the two batteries. Here you go. They are 12 volts, so we have about 24 volts of battery in total, 100 amps each. And there's our inverter. And It is. It's charging. Wow, output, okay. Let me have a look. AC. Let me have a look. I actually didn't turn it on. He actually turned it on by himself. Okay, so last night when we left it, it's now turned on. Great, no problem. Let's have a look now. So she's actually charging. See if I understand a little bit of this. Oh, I can see now. 41 volts, okay, input. Batteries 26.9. Yeah. I want to see how much. Okay. I want to see how much volts is actually pulling. The temperature is about 16, 15, not bad. Okay. Now I just want to see. That's 41.6 volts. Okay, the neighbor is happy. Oh, he's pulling 43 watt inputs. Watts. Output, I don't know. I don't understand a little bit. But yes, it's showing the solar panels are charging. So it's good. It's really good. So I'm going to go outside and show you guys how the solars look on the roof. Okay, by what I can see, this is pulling 228 volts. The solar system is showing. It's showing the battery is full and it's continuously charging, of course, because there's sun. I just don't know. Oh, by the way, I connected to our AC input our LED lights, and now let's see if we are pulling electricity. Okay guys, let's see. Just gonna turn the LED lights on, and 1, 2, 3, and we are pulling electricity. There you go. So now let's see, we are now pulling 228. Yeah, it's still the same. So yeah, so basically the lights for the house and everything, it shows that it's connection. There's the battery and there's the solar panel, so it's showing everything working the way it's supposed to. And like I said, we now have electricity. There's our LED light strips that I'm going to put in a kitchen counter or something. But yeah, it's working. It's really working. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Okay, now the battery is showing pulling 27 watts, 26, 29. So there you go. And the output 228. That's good. And then it shows all the indications of electricity, you know, it's connected, batteries are connected, and of course here on this corner here, that's the solar, that is for the batteries, and this is all the electricity. It's all working 100%, says there. So looks like everything is working the way it should be. Just gonna change here. Okay, now the output, look at that guys, is showing now 50. Wow, that is quite good. Just gonna continue fiddling here. The load, yeah. Here he is. It's all the system, all the cables going down. I'm gonna tidy up all the cables, you know, here. Pepe, the guy, he left us a long cable, so I'm gonna fiddle. This is the breaker. So if anything goes, something goes wrong and the inverter doesn't like it, you just switch it off, and then there's the button to switch out it again. And then it goes down to our beautiful, you know, batteries. Here they are in this little corner that we have a lot of space here in this corner. So this is the little bit left of the bed. So yeah, it's quite good. So at the moment we only have the, of course, the input thing for us to connect our computers and everything. So we're not connected to outputs, you know, meaning we're not connected yet to charging to caravans and things like that. And eventually we'll connect, because the connection is right here where this green tape is, and it goes outside, and we have the plug it to the mains, like the grid. So yeah, this is the pretty mess at the moment. As I told you guys, I've done this wall previously. I just need to finish right the end over there and around the kitchen, and then of course I done it here. I'm just gonna stand up because I'm sitting down. I just done the wall here, and yeah. Oh, by the way, these little lights, they are not connected to our house at all. This is just LED lights that I bought on Amazon for £16.99, and they charge via USB, and the dimmable, and then I have this magnet, so you put it anywhere you want. Because last night when Pepe was working, we didn't have much electricity inside, and I have one there and another one here. So this is basically free energy. We just need to charge them, and they go for 120 hours electricity. But yeah, there's a bunch of kids because it's Sunday and they're all playing outside. If you hear them on the background, they're cute. So yeah, this is the situation of the inverter. Previously we were going to put the inverter inside our pantry, but we decided not to. We decided the pantry, we're going to put shelves, and we're going to come up with something, because, you know, I still need to tidy up all this. Still need to cut this bit here of the remnants of the arch that used to be here, and then tidy up all this. But yeah, because the inverter is, you know, petite, it's not a big inverter, you know, it's quite a good inverter. It's like about 5 kilos something. Yeah, it stays there here because we want to be monitoring everything. And eventually it didn't came with the kits. There's something in this kit, the company as well, that sells it. It's basically Wi-Fi little device that connects to here, and then we can actually monitor to our phone and can get updates to our computer. There's cables that came with this to connect to a computer, so I can update the system. And like I said, with that little device that I'm gonna get connecting here, Wi-Fi thing, yeah, basically I can monitor through my phone. So we're gonna get that because I really like that. To be I don't want to be, imagine I want to be in the bed watching a movie and I can actually monitor to my phone. I don't need to stand up and go all the way here and press all the little gizmos and then do it. But yeah, guys, this is our situation at the moment. So tomorrow I'm going to work really hard because today is Sunday. I just came here. Yesterday, Saturday, Pepe put the solar panels. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to come Monday and I'm going to finish the rest of the thing. I'm going to work on that side, back doors, and work on everything else, you know, clean this floor, clean this mess, start tidying it up, because very soon we are going to move in. Yes, move in, guys. Will be moving days. Yeah, so this is our mess at the moment. It's a pretty mess. It's good, it's all good. So guys, this was a situation of from installing solar panels, and now we have power. So we have power, guys. We are up and running. There you go. So guys, until next time, don't forget to subscribe on this channel, leave us your comments and click like, and until next time, we'll see you on the next vlog. Okay guys, bye.